Hello everyone, Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. So for today's tip, you need to make all passwords different. You need to have a different password for everything. This means work logins, this means website logins, this means personal finance information, this means company information. And you see, we're all guilty of using the same password. Even I at one time used to use the same password. So you need to use a password manager to maintain your passwords, and then you need to have one strong password. And then this strong password should be at least 15 characters long, mixed up letters and numbers so no one can easily guess it. If you continue to use the same password all the time, it'll just be a matter of time before it's found out on the dark web and someone will be stealing your sensitive information. It's no longer a matter of if, it's now just a matter of time and when it will happen, because it will. Please click on the subscribe button located here. Please give us a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Stay safe out there.